We all know about Google's text-to-video AI generator Veo 2, and finally they have given it accessible for the public. And in this video I'll be showing you a way how you can create videos for free in Veo 2. So let's get started. For this, just Google AI Studio. You'll be getting the first link, aistudio.com. Select it and also make sure that you are signing in with your Google account. So you'll be taken to an interface like this, and to the left, as you can see, we are having video generation. Select it, and I'm not sure if this particular option is available for all the users. Based upon what I read in Twitter, a few people are able to access it. For some, this particular feature isn't available. So here in the interface we are having two options to create a video. One is we need to upload an image and directly through prompt, and apart from that we are having the number of results, which is like the number of videos, the aspect ratio of the video, if it's like in a YouTube format or a TikTok format. Video duration, we have 5, 6 and 7 and 8 seconds. That's pretty impressive because 8 seconds is a lot. And we are having the negative prompt. The resolution is permanent and the frame rate is permanent. And if you ask me if this video generation feature is unlimited, I guess they have a rate limit. I guess it's around like 5 to 8 videos based upon what people commented in Twitter. Not exactly sure about that also. So now let's just test with some prompts. I'm having here some chat GPT prompt over here. So let me go with this one. A man helps an elderly person cross the street in a neighborhood. So I'll just go here, put it, and let me have it as a 5-second video, one result, 16:9 aspect ratio, and just run it. So that took around 30 to 40 seconds to generate this video, and this is the result that I'm getting. And just look at the realism in this video. Like, that looks super hyper realistic. Like, I don't see any flaws here. Like, everything is so perfect. I mean, maybe the background is kind of blurry and imperfect, but literally it's like 95% an amazing and a perfect video. Yeah, I guess this is one of the best AI text to video image generators out there. So if you want to download it, you can like click and download it. That's done. And now let me just go with like another one. Let me go with the image to prompt. Okay, so I'll just add an image. So I have uploaded this particular image of a car on the moon, and this has been my prompt. Make the car move and add asteroid in the background. So let's see what it gives us. So this is the video. Let me just play it. As you can see, the car is moving so perfectly, and I can also see asteroid in the background, like in the corner. I wish it was like appearing more, but yeah, it still does the job. The car literally moves so well on the moon. So far this video generator has been so good. Do try it out, guys, and let me know in the comments. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.